Before we jump into the details of the SmartWire software programming procedures, there's a couple areas we want to look at. The natural tendency is to immediately run all your wiring out to your devices that you're going to trigger, pull all that cabling back in and plug into the unit itself. Then that forces you to go back into the software, identify each pin per the device, and then at that point define which switch is going to control that pin. In the long run, that takes twice the work. Ideally, the best method is to first mount the switch panel or the switch module, mount the SmartWire itself. From that point, you want to go into the software and define what each switch will be turning on. In other words, water pump, fuel pump, radiator fan, that type of thing. At that point, you can then go back in the software and define the output pin itself. That allows you to define what's going to turn it on, how it flows into the SmartWire itself, and the output going to the accessory. At that point, you can then create a simple schematic of what your outputs are going to, and that allows you to connect wiring up only to the pins that you need. Now on to the programming. Instead of me trying to explain exactly how to program each input and output, we've created what's called a Camtasia tutorial. A Camtasia basically is a video capturing all the movements on screen of the mouse, where it's moving, what channel it's programming, that type of information. You can click on the link below to watch the full video. This allows you to start and stop as needed, learn a process, then move the video on to the next section and the next section. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions, make sure you take a look at all the videos at racepacksmartwire.com.